Subject Mathematics, Standard 7, Chapter 12, Part 2, Topic Perimeter and Area. Here are given the formulas of different shapes of their area and perimeter. Suppose circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Circumference of circle, or we can say perimeter of circle, is equal to 2 pi r. Here r is the radius of the circle. Triangle. Shape is triangle. Area is equal to half base into height. Perimeter S equal to sum of all the three sides. A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Square. Area of square is equal to side into side. If we assume the side as A, it will become A into A square. Perimeter is equal to 4 into side, but the side is given A, so it will become 4 into A equal to 4A. Rectangle. Area of rectangle, A equal to length into width. Perimeter equal to 2L plus W. L is the length, W is the width. Parallelogram. Area of parallelogram, A equal to base into height. Perimeter equal to 2 base plus height. B is the base and H is the vertical height. Now let us see some questions from the textbook. If the length and breadth of a rectangle are double, how many times the perimeter of old rectangle will be that of new rectangle? See, there are two rectangles. One is old and one is new. Let the length of old rectangle be L and breadth of old rectangle be B. Therefore, perimeter of old rectangle equal to 2L plus B. Now, they are telling that length and breadth are double. So, let the length of new rectangle equal to 2L and breadth equal to 2B. Therefore, perimeter of new rectangle equal to 2. Length become 2L, breadth become 2B. So, we substitute the values. Take out 2 common. 2 into 2, L plus B equal to 2 into perimeter of old rectangle. Therefore, perimeter of new rectangle will be twice the perimeter of old rectangle. If the side of a square is tripled, how many times the perimeter of the first square will be that of the new square? Let the length of the square be A. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side equal to 4 into A equal to 4A. Let the side of the new square, it was given in question, it become triple, equal to 3 into A, we can write 3A. Therefore, perimeter of new square equal to 4 into side equal to 4 into 3A. Take out 3 ahead and write into 4A. It means 3 into perimeter of original square. So, the perimeter of new square will be 3 times the perimeter of the original square. Given alongside is the diagram of a playground. It shows the length of the sides, find the perimeter of the playground. See, this is a playground. Length of the sides are given. Now, let us see the solution. First, name the figure. Now, you can see that AF is given, but the measure is not given. So, AF is equal to what? BC plus DE. What is the length of BC given? 15. Length of DE given? 15. 15 plus 15 is equal to what? 30 meters. So, length of AF is equal to what? 30. Side FE. Side FE is equal to side AB plus CD. AB given 10, CD given 5. 10 plus 5, 15 meter. Therefore, perimeter of playground is equal to side AB, side BC, side CD plus side DE plus side EF plus side FE. Substitute the values. 10 plus 15 plus 5 plus 15 plus 15 plus 30 equal to 90 meter. Now see, as shown in the figure, 4 napkins, all of the same size, were made from a square piece of cloth of length 1 meter. This is a square piece of cloth. The length is given 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. What is the length of the lace required to trim all 4 sides of the napkin? They are asking what is the length of the lace required to trim. Solution. Side of the square piece of cloth is what? 1 meter. Side of each napkin, these are 4 napkins, so side of this napkin become what? 0.5 meter. Length of lace will be required for 1 napkin equal to parameter of the napkin 4 into side equal to 4 into 0.5 equal to 2 meter. Therefore, perimeter of 4 napkins 4 into 2 equal to 8 meter. Therefore, 8 meter long lace will be required to trim all the 4 napkins. A page of calendar is 45 centimeter long and 26 centimeter wide. What is its area? Area of the page of calendar is equal to length into breadth equal to 45 into 26 equal to 1170 square centimeter. Therefore, area of the page of the calendar is 1170 square centimeter. Next question. What is the area of a triangle with base 4.8 centimeter and height 3.6 centimeter? Area of triangle is equal to half base into height, half into 4.8 into 3.6, half into 17.28 equal to 8.64 square centimeter. Therefore, the area of triangle is 8.64 square centimeter. Now, next question. What is the value of a rectangular plot of land? Suppose this is a plot of land. It is 75.5 meter long and 30.5 meter broad at the rate of rupees 1000 per square meter. First, we know that area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So, area of rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth equal to 75.5 into 30.5 equal to 2302.75 square meter. Therefore, value of plot of land equal to area of the plot into rate per square meter equal to 2302.75 into 1000 equal to rupees 23,02,750 rupees. So, the value of plot of land is 23,02,750. Now, next question. A rectangular plot of land. Length is given 65 meter, breadth is given 30 meter. A pathway, see, you can see a path is surrounded all around the ground outside it. Find the area of the path. We have to find the area of this path. Solution. The playground is rectangular. ABCD is a playground. Around it is a pathway 1.5 meter wide. Around ABCD we get what rectangle? PQRS. Therefore, length of PQRS will become 65 plus 1.5 plus 1.5. Why it becomes plus 1.5 plus 1.5? Because from both the side it is how much wide? 1.5 from here and 1.5 from there. 1.5 from here and 1.5 from there. So, in length 65 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 equal to 68 meter. Same way, breadth of new rectangle equal to 30 plus 1.5 plus 1.5. Same way in the breadth, it is, we have to add the white part 1.5 and 1.5. Therefore, area of path equal to area of PQRS equal to area of PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. So, area of PQRS is what? 68 into 33 minus 65 into 30. Bigger area minus smaller area. 2244 minus 1950. We get 294 square meter. Now see another question. The length and width of a mobile phone are given. See, this is PQRS is the mobile phone. The screen is given. Length is given 13. Breadth is what? 7 centimeter. Length is 13 and breadth is 7 centimeter. It has a screen of PQRS. PQR is the screen. What is the area of screen? We have to find area of screen means PQRS area we have to find. ABCD is the rectangle formed by the edges of the mobile. PQRS is a rectangle formed by leaving 1.5 centimeter edge alongside. They are telling that it will leave how much? 1.5. It was mentioned not here in the question, but it is they are leaving 1.5 centimeter width from all the four sides. Therefore, length of rectangle PQRS is equal to 9.5. Why it become 9.5? Because we have to leave the space. So when we are going inside, we have to leave space 13 minus 1.5 minus 1.5 and from below it is shown in the figure. You have to leave the space of 2 centimeter, but from all the three sides 1.5. So you have to be very careful. When you are leaving the space from here 1.5, but from below 2. So 13 minus 1.5 minus 2, we are getting 9.5 centimeter. Breadth of rectangle PQRS 7 minus 1.5 and 1.5 from here. So 7 minus 1.5 we get 4 centimeter. Therefore, area of screen equal to area of rectangle PQRS equal to 9.5 into 4 equal to 38 square centimeter. Find the perimeter and area of a garden with the measures are shown in the figure. See, you can see the figure is given. The boundary of the garden is made of 12 sides. Each side is of length 30 meter. When you are going to count this, these are the sides of the boundary of garden. But when we join inside, you will get 4 more sides. You will join this, we get 4 more sides. So total how many sides are there? 12. Each side is of how much length? 13 meter, 13 meter, 13 meter. So it will be perimeter is equal to 12 into 13 equal to 156 meter. The garden in the given figure can be divided into 5 squares, each of side 13 meters. See, this is 1 square, 2, 3, 4, and inside one is 5th one. So area of garden is equal to 5 into area of each square part. 5 into side square equal to 5 into 13 square equal to 5 into 169 equal to 845 square meter. Therefore, the perimeter and area of garden are 156 meter and 845 square meter respectively. Children, now practice this type of sums from the textbook. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.